Here the question is 2 by x plus 5 by y, and we know how to do it. When we have anything of this sort 1 by x, then first of all we see that whether there is a positive or negative sign, whether we don't have to do this like, substituting a 1 by x as u and 1 by y as v, like this. So if there is any possibility, we do it. Otherwise, this is always the resolution, means this is always the solution. So when we put 1 by x equal to u and 1 by y equal to v, this becomes 2u plus 5v equal to 1. This becomes 60u plus 40v equal to 19. Now what you can do here is you can simply multiply this equation, there are, as I said earlier also, there are different solutions. There is not a single solution. Means it depends on how comfortable you are with certain solution. Like if I just multiply this by say 8, say I have just given an idea that when you multiply 1 and 2, right, 1 by 60, other by 2, there is a possibility you can multiply this by 60, this equation, and you can multiply this by 2. So you get two equations like this, 120 you get, then you just subtract them. 300 minus 80 is always 220 v, and then 60 minus 38 is your 22. So what do you get? V will be equal to 22 by 220, that is 1 by 10. Now if you just multiply this whole equation by 8, you get 8 to the 16, so 16u plus 5 8 is 40, 40v equal to 8, this equation. Now I'm just writing it below. Now just subtract it, this gets cancelled. 60 minus 16 is your 44u, and then this is 8, right? So 8 minus 19 is what? See, this is what I've done. 8 to the 16, this is 16, I just place it below. Then 19 minus 8 is what? 11. So u is 11 by 44, that is 1 by 4. So you got u is 1 by 4. By this method, multiplying 1 by 60 and other by 2, you got this one. So in both ways, whatever you do, you are going to land up with the same scenario, same answer. So let us say that we have got v as this one, u as 1 by 4. So you always know when you have taken this one, that means you have to reciprocal it and to get x and y. So this 1 by 10 will become 10 and this 1 by 4 will become 4. So our answer will be x is 4 and y is 10. Next is a similar situation here we have. So 1 by x has to be taken as u, 1 by y has to be taken as u. So u by 5 plus v by 6 equal to 12. If there is possibility, you can just make them like ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Otherwise, the best way I will tell you is in both the scenarios. See, if this is u by 5 plus v by 6 equal to 12. So now 5 and 6 is there, so just multiply them. 5 6 is 30 and multiply whole equation, every term by 30. So why I have done this? Because this 5 will cancel 30 6 times, so you get 6u plus 6 5 is 30, so you get 5v equal to 12 into 30, so you get 360. So this is your first equation. What will be the second equation? U by 3 minus 3 by 7v equal to 8. Now 7 3 is 21, so multiply whole equation by 21. 3 7 is 21, so you get 7u here, and 7 3 is 21, 3 3 is 9, 9v you get, and 21 into 8, 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16, so you get 168. So 7vu minus 9v equal to 168, and 6u plus 5 equal to 360, and you know how to solve this equation. You can just multiply this equation, just to make one term equal, you have to multiply this equation, say this equation, previous what we saw, we multiply 1 by 9, 1 by 5. So now just add them, just cancel it. 54 plus 35 is 89, 3240 plus 840 is 4080, u is equal to 4080 by 89. So this is your first scenario. Now second is, now put this u in any of this equation, that means what we got, this one or this one. Just put it, you will get v equal to 1512 by 89. Now this is u and v. Now in order to get x and y, just make reciprocal. 89 here, 480 here. So this is x. Now 89 here, 1512 in the denominator. This will be your y. Now we have another equation like this. Now see, this is x plus y, this is x plus y. This is x minus y, this is x minus y. So this 1 by x plus y can be taken as u, and 1 by x minus y can be taken as v. So what do you get? 6u equal to 7v plus 3, first equation. Or you can say bring 7v on the left hand side, 6u minus 7v equal to 3. This is our first equation. Now here u by 2 equal to v by 3. So what do you get? 3u minus 2v equal to 0. Now you can multiply this equation simply, say, if I can write, say, you can, again I am reiterating that there is no one method. It depends all on your, means I'm just saying that if I write say v equal to 3u by 2, this is u by 2 equal to v by 3, so I write v equal to 3u by 2, and let me put it here, 6 into 3u by 2 minus 7v, this is u, this is u, so let me write u equal to 2v by 3, so 6 into, I'm writing in place of u 2v by 3, right, minus 7v equal to 3. So 3 to the 6, 2 to the 4, 4v minus 7v equal to 3. This is minus 3v equal to 3, so v becomes minus 1. I just put this v equal to minus 1 here. What do you get? U will be equal to minus 2 by 3. So this is how you get minus 2 by 3, and you get other as minus 1, and just this is what we have done already. But now here the scenario is you have taken 1 by x plus y as u. Now you have to you have another linear equation by this second replication or second substitution. U is minus 2 by 3, put 1 by x plus y equal to minus 2 by 3, and this 1 by x minus y equal to minus 1. So you get one equation like this, second equation like this, just add them or subtract them. Easily you can solve x and y. These are the solutions. Now xy by x plus y is equal to 6 by 5. Now another, there are certain methods. First method is, what you can do here is, first just multiply this xy with 5, means cross multiplication, and this by this. So 5xy will be equal to 6x plus 6y. This is your first equation. What do you get here? See, if I take like this, so this will be xy minus xy. See, this is by 1. So you get xy minus xy by y equal to 6, and y will come here. So there is I just need to change this equation, because here we have, the equation is like this, because I am getting a 0, so this is not a good equation. We'll just change this equation. Xy by y minus x equal to 6. What do you get? Xy will be equal to 6y minus 6x. So this is now our second equation. This is first equation, this is second equation. Now what you can do here is, you can just add these two equations. 6x get cancelled, 6y is 12y, and 5xy plus xy is 6xy. This y gets cancelled, so x will be 12 by 6, so x is 2. Put in any of these equation, either this one or this one, you get y equal to 3. So there is no substitution, there is no division, just making it normal, and just because you are getting 6x and 6x by itself, you don't have to multiply it with any number. This also we have done. 1 by x plus y has to be taken as u, 1 by x minus y has to be taken as v. This becomes 5u minus 2v equal to minus 1. This becomes 15u plus 7v equal to 10. Now these are the two equations. Multiply this by, say, 7, this by 2. Why? Because we want one term to be equal, so that we can cancel it out. And the best choice is that term you are making it equal, so that when they are multiplied, they are equal, but in the signs are different. So we could have multiplied this equation by, say, 15 and this equation by 5. There was always a chance, and the answer will be same. But here the 7 and 2, multiplication by 7 and 2 is quite easy, and apart from that you are getting a negative and a positive sign, so you just have to add these two equations. So these are two equations, we are adding it, this gets cancelled, 35 plus 30, and you have this one, 20 minus 7. So you get v equal to 1 here, and when we have v equal to 1 here, and u also you can find out, you can put it any of the equations. Say I am putting v equal to 1. So 5u minus 2v equal to minus 1. So 5u minus 2 into 1 equal to minus 1. So 5u is equal to minus 1, and this goes there. So this is minus 1 plus 2. So that is u will be equal to 1 by 5. Okay. Now 1 by 5 is there. Now x, you have assumed 1 by x plus y to be u. So 1 by x plus y will be equal to what? It will be equal to 1. And 1 by x minus y will be equal to what? It will be v. So you can just say that this 1 by x minus y equal to 1 by 5. So x minus y, this is v. So what was 1 by x minus y? So 1 by x minus y equal to 1, and 1 by x plus y, that is u, is 1 by 5. Okay. So 1 by x plus 5 will be equal to 5, 1 by 5. So x minus y equal to 1 and x plus y equal to 5. This is 1 by 5. Just add them. 2x will be equal to 6, x will be equal to 3. And now put x in any of these equation, you get y equal to 2. So x is 3, y is 2. So this is how we solve it. Now the next question is, solve the system of equation. In this case, we will take 1 by x plus y equal to 1 by x plus y as u, and 1 by x minus y equal to v. But we can see here if it is possible for us to do the otherwise. Means if I multiply this by 2, I will get 4 by x minus y, and here we have minus 4 by x minus y. But even if we add them, we will still be left with x and y term. So we cannot do it. What we will do here is, as I said, 1 by x plus y will be equal to u, 1 by x minus y equal to v. So this equation will become 3u plus 2v equal to 2, and this will be 9u minus 4v equal to 1. Now what we can do here is, we need minus 4. So how to do, or we need plus 4 here. So that this get cancelled if we add first and second equation. So we'll simply multiply this equation by 2. There is no you can say forcefulness to multiply it by 1. There is nothing or nowhere written that you multiply this by 1. This is just given. But the simple thing is, you just multiply whole equation by 2. That is, every term has to be multiplied by 2. So you get 6u plus 4v equal to 4. Now you add them, this gets cancelled. You get 9 plus 6 as 15u. You get 4 plus 1 as 5. So u becomes 5 by 15. That is 1 by 3. Now put u in any of this equation. Say in this equation we put. So 3 into 1 by 3 plus 2v equal to u. So you get 1 here. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So you get v equal to half. U and v now are known. But u was what? 1 by x plus y. So u will be 1 by 3. What was 1 by x minus y? We assume it to be v. So this will be 1 by 2. So the equation will be x plus y equal to 3 and x minus y equal to 2. So these are the two equations being found. X minus y equal to 2, x plus y equal to 3. Add them, this gets cancelled. So 2x will be equal to 5. X is equal to 5 by 2. Put x in any of these equations now, you get y equal to half. So x is 5 by 2, y is half, 1 by 2. Next question, see this term and this term are equal, means same. This also are same. So 1 by x plus 2y can be written as, say, some p or q or any word in the alphabets you can take, except x and y. So what we can do here is 1 by x plus 2y can be taken as u, and 1 by 3x minus 2y can be taken as v. So this becomes u by 2 plus 5 by 3, means 5v by 3 equal to minus 3 by 2. And this becomes 5u by 4 minus 3 by 5v equal to 61 by 60. So this is 60. This is our first equation. Now what you can do here is multiply whole equation by 6. What do we get? U by 2 into 6 is 2 3s are 6, so you get 3u. 5 by 3 into 6, 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10, 10v. Now minus 3 by 2 into 6, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, so you get minus 9. So this is your first equation. The second equation is this one. Now what you can do here is, see, this is 4 and 5 and this is 60. So you can multiply whole equation by, say, because you need to get rid of this 4 also, right? So here you can do multiply whole equation by, say, 20. So 5 by 4 u into 20 is 4 5s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 25u. Minus. Now 3 by 5 into 20, 5 4s are 20 and 4 3s are 12, 12v. Now 61 by 60 into 20, so 23s are 60, you get 61 by 3. Again, what you can do here is, either you can just go ahead with this one, or you can multiply this equation by 3 so that you get rid of the denominator. This is also possible, but let it be. It doesn't matter because we have already these two equations are there, and we have to concentrate on this 10v and 12v. So now multiply this equation, the first equation, by 12, and second equation this by 12, and then this equation by, so this is 12 and this is 10, so multiply this by 10. So you get these two equations, just add them. This get cancelled. 250 plus 36 will be 286u, and minus 108 and 610 by 3, if you add them, you get 286 by 3. Now 286 gets cancelled, u will be equal to 1 by 3. Now put u equal to 1 by 3 in any of these two equations, this one or this one, you get v equal to minus 1. But what you have done is, you have assumed 1 by x plus 2y equal to u. So 1 by x plus 2y was actually 1 by 3. This is u. And 1 by 3x minus 2y, what we got is minus 1, v. So it was equal to v. So it is equal to minus 1. So now this equation becomes x plus 2y equal to 3. This equation becomes 3x minus 2y equal to minus 1. Now we have another set of equations that we need to solve. But this will not be a problem. Why? Because we have x plus 2y equal to 3. And this is 3x minus 2y equal to minus 1. So we have plus and minus of 2y, cancel them means add them. You get 4x equal to 2. You get x equal to 2 by 4. That is x equal to half. Now put x equal to half in any of these equations, say this one or this one. You get, when you put x equal to half like this, you get y equal to 5 by 4. So this is how, this is actually a two-step solution. First, you made it as a linear equation, means first set of linear equation, then the replacement, and then the second set of linear equations like this. X plus y equal to 5xy, 3x plus 2y equal to 13xy. What you can do here is, you have a 2 here. So why not to multiply this whole equation by 2? You get 2x plus 2y equal to 5 to the 10xy. Now just subtract them. So this gets cancelled. 3 minus 2x, 3 minus 2 is 1, so x, and 13 minus 10 is 3xy. X gets cancelled, y will be equal to 1 by 3. Now put y equal to 1 by 3 in any of this equation, you get x equal to half. Okay, so this is x is your half and y is 1 by 3. Here this is not in the standard form, so what we can do here is first multiply. That is 6u minus 2v equal to 5uv. This is your first equation. Then 2u plus 6v equal to 5uv. This is your second equation. Now what you can do here is, this is 6v and you have a negative of minus 2. Just multiply this equation by 3. You get 6 3s are 18, 18u minus 3 to the 6v equal to 5 3s are 15uv. And what you have here, 2u plus 6v equal to 5uv. Now just add these two equations. This gets cancelled. 18 plus 2 is 20u, and 15 plus this 15 plus 5 is 20uv. U gets cancelled, 20 gets cancelled, v is equal to 1. So v is equal to 1. Put it in any of this equation, either this one or this one, you get u equal to 2. Next equation we have already done, the equation of this type. Now you can just put 1 by 3x plus 2y as u, 1 by 3x minus 2y equal to v. The equations become like this. Now we have 3v here, we have a v here. It's very simple to multiply whole of this equation by 2. So you get this as 15u plus 2v, 15u, you have to multiply it by 3, sorry. So 15u plus 3v equal to 3 to the 6. So you have these two equations. Now the first equation is what? This one, 2u plus 3v equal to 17 by 5. Now subtract them. This gets cancelled. 15 minus 2u and 6 minus 17 by 5. So now you just resolve it. U will be equal to 1 by 5. Now put here u equal to 1 by 5 in any of these two equations, you get v equal to 1. But you assumed what? 1 by 3x plus 2y equal to u, that is you have to put it as 1 by 5. So 3x plus 2y will be equal to 5. This is our first equation. Then we had 1 by 3x minus 2y equal to v. v was found to be 1. So 1 by 3x minus 2y equal to 1. That is 3x minus 2y equal to 1. This is your second equation. Again, when we solve this, 3x plus 2y equal to 5. Now we have to solve these systems of equation. This gets cancelled. 3x is 6x. 5 plus 1 is 6. So x is equal to 1. And what will be y? Put it in any of this equation. Y will be equal to again 1. So the solution of x and y is 1, 1. Now 44 by x plus y. Don't go to these numbers. Question numbers are different because it has been taken from the different versions of R.D. Sharma book. So you will have most of the question being covered, and those which are of same type, that only I have skipped. Otherwise, mostly all the questions I have covered. So 44 by x plus y plus 30 by x minus y equal to 10. So you can take 1 by x plus y as u, 1 by x minus y equal to v. So this becomes 44u plus 30v equal to 10. This is our first equation. Now this becomes 55u plus 40v equal to 13. This becomes your second equation. Now what we can do? See, this is 30, this is 40. So let us make them as 1 so that we can subtract them. So multiply this whole equation by 40, multiply this whole equation by say 30. So this will become 120, this will become 120, other will be multiplied as well. So these two equations after multiplying by 40 and whole of the multiplication by 30, we get these two equations. Subtract them. This gets cancelled. 176 minus 165 is 11u. 40 minus 39 is 1. So u will be 1 by 11. Now put here u equal to 1 by 11. In any of these two equations, you get v equal to 1 by 5. But now, this is first step. What was 1 by x plus y? It was 1 by 11. So x plus y is 11. This is first equation. What was 1 by x minus y? It is equal to v. v was 1 by 5. So x minus y will be equal to 5. This is your second equation. Add them, you get 2x equal to, see, this gets cancelled. 2x will be equal to 11 plus 5, that is 16. So x will be equal to 8. Put it in any of the equation, you get y equal to 3. So x is 8, y is 3. Again, this similar type of equation. Now I just wanted to let you know that here I am going to put 1 by x plus y not as u but as p. That is just to enforce one thought, that you can take any alphabet from A to Z. There will be no restriction except x and y. So p and q now we are taking. So this becomes 10p plus 2q equal to 4. And this will become 15p because p was 1 by x plus y minus 5q equal to 2. So what you can do here is just multiply this by 5, multiply this by 2. I am multiplying this 5 whole equation and this equation by 2. So what do we get? We get 10 and 5. So 50p plus 10q equal to 5 4 is 20. Now 2 multiplied by each term, so you get 30p minus 10q equal to 4. Now add them, you get 80p equal to 24. So p will be equal to 24 by 80, 24 5s are 80, so p is 1 by 5. Now put this in any of this equation, this one or this one, you will get q equal to 1. Now what was p? P was 1 by x plus y. So 1 by x plus y equal to 1 by 5, that is x plus y equal to 5. And what was 1 by x minus y? It was q, so it is 1. So x minus y equal to 1. Add them, y gets cancelled, 2x equal to 6, x is equal to 3. Put this in any of this equation, you get y equal to 2. So x is 3, y equal to 2. Next is 7x minus 2y by xy and 8x plus 7y by xy. Now what we can do here is, see, this 7x, divide xy with both of these. 5, right? X gets cancelled, it will be 7 by y, minus y gets cancelled, 2 by x equal to 5. See, this is first equation. Now second equation exactly like this. So we have 8x by xy plus 7y by xy equal to 15. This gets cancelled, so it is 8 by y gets cancelled, so this is plus 7 by x equal to 15. So these are two equations. Now 1 by x has to be placed as u or p. It depends on you, what do you want. So this will be p, and 1 by y will be equal to q. So these equations become 7q minus 2p equal to 5. And this equation will become 8q plus 7p equal to 15. Now let us take, or you can just solve it right here itself. But there is no restriction that it has to be form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. It can be say by plus ax plus c equal to 0. Both equations are similar, so this is also true. Now what we'll do, we'll multiply this by 7, that means this one, whole equation, and this by 2. So what do we get? 7 7s are 49, 49q minus 7 2s are 14, 14p equal to 7 5s are 35. Here we get 8 2s are 16, 16q, and then we have 7 2s are 14, 14p equal to 30. So what do we get? Here we get, add them. This gets cancelled. 49 plus 16 is 60q, and 35 plus, no, this is 65. And 35 plus 30 is 65. So q will be 65 by 60. This is 1. So q is 1. Now q is 1. Put it in any of these equation, you will get absolutely p as 1. Now what was 1 by x? It was p, so it was 1. And q is also 1. So x is 1, y is 1. This is your solution. Now solve the system of equation. Every equation has a proper way to solve. How to solve them? This kind of equation, first we will add these two equations, then we will subtract these two equations, and there will be two new equations that are now easy to solve with the number which are lesser than these numbers. See, this is 152, 378. Even if we try to multiply, say I multiply this by 152, I multiply this by say 378, these numbers will be huge numbers. So that will not be feasible when we actually solve it using our pen and paper. So the best way is first to add these two equations. When we add, 152 and minus 378 will be minus 226. Minus 378 and 152 will be minus 226y. Minus 74 and minus 604 adding will be minus 678. Now divide whole equation by 226, each and every term. So this will be say minus 226 you can divide. So we just want to get rid of the minus sign. So if you divide whole of this equation by minus 226, this will be minus, this will be 1, this will be 1, and this will be thrice. So x plus y equal to 3, this is your equation. So this is quite simpler. This is an equation which is simpler than any of these equations. Now we need to get one more equation of this form which is easier to solve. So now we will subtract these two. We will subtract these two. So 152 minus of minus 378 is 530, and again minus 378 minus of 152, that is again 530, and when we subtract minus 74 by minus of minus 604, it will be 604 minus 74, that will be 530. Now divide whole equation, means complete equation, by 530. This gets cancelled, this gets cancelled, this gets cancelled. You will get x minus y equal to 1. If this is x plus y equal to 1. So these are two equations which we got here, right? Now here the thing is, when we have actually, see, when we subtracted them, it has to be minus, right? So this is minus. Now we have two equations, x plus y equal to 3 and x minus y equal to 1. Add them. This gets cancelled. 2x will be equal to 4, x will be equal to 2. Put this x equal to 2 in any of this equation, y will be equal to 1. So this is the solution. This equation also is, we are going to solve it like exactly the way we have done in the previous question. We will first add them so that we get some 2 value, and when we subtract them again we get some 2 value. So equation will be quite easier to formulate and to solve also. So let us see how it is done. First let us add these two equations. So 99 plus 101 will be 200. 101 plus 99 will be 200. 409 plus 501 will be 409. This is 409. Will be 1000. So this will be 200x plus 200y equal to 1000. So now divide whole equation, that is 200x plus 200y equal to 1000. Now divide whole equation by 200. This gets cancelled, this gets cancelled, at 200 5s are. So you get x plus y equal to 5. This is one of the equation. Now we have a very simple equation, and this one more equation we intend to find. Now what we can do here is we can subtract these two. Now when we subtract, this is 101 minus 99, that is 2x. 99 minus 101 will be again minus 2x, minus 2y. And then 501 minus 402 will be equal to 501 minus 409 will be equal to 2. So you get 2x minus 2y will be equal to 2. Divide whole equation by 2. You get x minus y equal to 1. So you have x plus y equal to 5. Add them. This can cancel. 2x will be equal to 6. X will be equal to 2 3 is 6. 3. So put this x equal to 3 here. It will be 3 y here, 1 here. So y will be equal to 2. Right. So this is how we get. This is you can put it here also. X is 3. What will be added to 3 so that you can get 5, so it has to be 2. So y is equal to 2. This is the solution, right? Again, the same scenario, we have to solve the system of equation. We will add these two equations first of all. Okay, 23 plus 29 is 52. Minus 29 minus 23 will be minus 52. 98 plus 110 is 208. So you get 52x minus 52y equal to 208. Take 52 common, or you can say divide whole equation by 52. This will be x minus y equal to 208 divided by 52 is what? 4. So x minus y equal to 4 is one equation, easier equation. Now let us subtract them. 29 minus 23 is 6x. 23 minus of minus 29 will be this 6 again. See, again 6y. And then you have 110 minus 98, you get 12. So you have an equation, divide whole by 6. You get x plus y equal to 2. So you have x minus y equal to 4. You have x plus y equal to 2. Add them. 2x will be equal to 6. X will be equal to 2 3 is 6. And y will be equal to, if you put it in any of the equation, if x is 3, y will be what? It has to be minus 1. Okay. So y will be equal to minus 1. This is how it is solved. Now here the equation, the system of equation has 3 variables, x, y, z. So what we will do here is, we will eliminate z from this equation and this equation. How? Let us take z from here. What will be z? Z will be equal to 4 minus x. I am taking x here and y here. 4 minus x plus y. Okay. Z equal to 4 minus x plus y. Here I will put z, that is x minus 2y minus 2. Now z, in place of z, I will place 4 minus x plus y. So 4 minus x plus y equal to 9. Here what we will do? 2x plus y plus 3. Now what is z? 4 minus x plus y equal to 1. Now here you have only x and y. See, x and y we have. So we will have equation in the form of x and y. So exactly what we have done, we have taken z in the form of x and y and we have substituted it here, solved. So you get 3x minus 4y equal to 17. Now in the second equation, at this place we placed z equal to minus x plus y plus 4. This is your second equation. Now we have one equation as this, one equation as this. Now you can easily solve this. X will be equal to 3, y will be equal to minus 2. And when we put x equal to 3 and y equal to minus 2, z will be equal to minus 1. This is again the same kind of equation, same equation. Now what you can do here is, x, y, z is there. Take z or put z here, keep z here and take all on the right hand side. So y will be plus y and x will be minus x. Now here you put 4 plus y minus x, and in this space you put 4 plus y minus x. So when you put z equal to minus x plus y plus 4 in this second equation, because we just want to eliminate z, and how can we eliminate from these two equations? Means second and third, we will find z from here and put it here. So now this will be xy only. So the equation is simply solved, y equal to 1. We have another equation. Now put z equal to minus x plus y equal to 4. You get another equation. put y equal to 1 here, you get x equal to 2. And when you have y and x, put them here, y and x, you get z. So z will be equal to 1. This is how we solve it.